How many times your mind went towards observing any change happening around you? Good morning, dear students. Every change involves energy. This is our topic today. Are you ready to learn science with me? Let's go. In our previous pages of book, we have classified changes into different categories. And we learned that a change can be classified into more than one category. How? Let's take an example. Curdling of milk. दही बनने में कम टाइम लगता है या ज़्यादा लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन. इट मीन्स इट इज़ अ स्लो चेंज. दूध से दही बन जाती, इट मीन्स न्यू सब्सटेंस इज फॉर्म्ड. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ अ केमिकल चेंज. And can we bring back the milk from the curd? No. That's why it is an irreversible change. It means curdling of milk is a slow, irreversible and chemical change. In this way, we can categorize a change into more than one category. At page number 77, see a beautiful table is given. 6 changes are in the form of example one side. On the other side, there are categories mentioned: slow or fast, reversible or irreversible, physical or chemical. And we are asked to categorize each example of change into 3 categories. Now I'm just taking the first one, burning of an incense stick, अगरबत्ती का जलना. Is it occurring slow or fast? You can say slow. A new substance, ash, is formed? Yes. And can we bring back ash into agarbatti? No. That's why it is a slow, irreversible and chemical change. If someone asks, what about the burning of incense stick? Is it slow or fast? Slow. Irreversible or reversible? Irreversible. Chemical or physical? Chemical. Now the second one, freezing of water, means पानी से बर्फ बनाना. स्लोली होता है इसलिए स्लो चेंज. लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन लेता है, स्लो चेंज. फिर से वापस पानी ला सकते हैं बर्फ से? यस. तो रिवर्सिबल. नई सब्सटेंस बनती है? नो. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ अ फिजिकल. नाउ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बायोगैस फ्रॉम काउ डंस. काउ डंस मीन्स गोबर. गोबर से एक गैस बनती है एलपीजी जैसी. ये गैस बहुत धीरे बनती है, लॉन्ग ड्यूरेशन लगती है इस चेंज के लिए. दैट्स वाई स्लो. जब गैस बन जाती है तो फिर से काउडन्स नहीं बना सकते. दैट्स वाई इरिवर्सिबल. एंड नई सब्सटेंस बनती है. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ अ केमिकल. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज बस्टिंग ऑफ अ बलून. गुब्बारा फूटता है, फटाफट फूट जाता है. शॉर्टर ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम लगती है तो फास्ट. फिर से वापस ला सकते हैं? नो. दैट्स वाई इट इज़ एन इरिवर्सिबल. नो न्यू सब्सटेंस इज फॉर्म्ड. दैट्स वाई वी कैन से बस्टिंग ऑफ बलून. बलून का फूटना एक फिजिकल चेंज है. फास्ट है क्योंकि शॉर्टर ड्यूरेशन ऑफ टाइम लगती है. इरिवर्सिबल क्यों है? बिकॉज वी कांट ब्रिंग बैक द busted balloon into a new. That's why irreversible. And why we are saying that it is a physical change? Because no new substance is formed. In this way, we can categorize a change into 3 categories. Come to the next example, that is heating of sugar in a pan, and that was done by us practically. I'm saying this is a fast, irreversible and chemical. फास्ट क्योंकि जल्दी होता है, इरिवर्सिबल क्योंकि वो काली सब्सटेंस से चीनी नहीं ला सकते, एंड केमिकल क्योंकि नई सब्सटेंस बनी थी. So we can say that heating of sugar in a pan is fast, irreversible and chemical. Let's see the activity we did earlier. Putting sugar in a pan or tawa, you can say. Though I did the two activities parallelly. One, we heat the sugar on tawa. Heat means HEAT, garam ki. And second, we hit means HIT, hit, grind karna. We grinded the sugar there. And grinding of sugar is also a fast change. Heating of sugar is also a fast change. Both are fast because they take fraction of seconds to occur. This change take fraction of seconds to occur. See, now the color of the sugar is going to change, but there is no change in the color. So this grinding is a physical, while heating of sugar is a chemical. And it is now converting into a black substance. If you taste it, then you will find that it becomes bitter instead of sweet. It means a new substance is formed. That's why chemical change. And here in grinding, no new substance is formed, so physical change. Now see another one, another activity, switching on and off. He is asking, lighting of electric bulb is which type of change? Answer is, this is fast because take shorter duration of time. Reversible because we can bring back the original substance. And physical because no new substance is formed. In this way, we can categorize the changes into various categories. Dear student, next topic of ours is very important. Changes involve energy. First of all, we are going to see two activities. Stretching of rubber string. Here, my muscular energy is utilized by the string to bring about the change in it. Energy is absorbed here. Likewise, for the breaking of chalk is a change. Here also, my muscular energy is used. It means this change absorb the energy to happen it. That's why we can say in both the changes energy is absorbed to bring about the changes. Now see another activity. Burning of an incense stick. Here, during the burning of incense stick is a change. Heat and light energy is coming out. It means energy is released during this change. And what our topic is saying, if any change is happening around us, there are two conditions. Either energy is absorbed by the change to bring it about, or energy is released during the change. Burning of candle, burning of LPG, respiration occurring inside our body and plants, all are the changes in which energy is given out or released. And moving of cricket ball, melting of ice and boiling of water need energy to be given to bring about the change. So, dear students, there are many natural changes occurring around us. For example, change of weather, change of season, ripening of fruits, and so on. During these changes, in natural environment there is exchange of energies, though we can't observe that energy, but every time if a change occur, either energy is released or absorbed. We will discuss more about such processes in higher classes. Now keywords are here. Chemical change, a change in which new substance is formed. Very simple to learn. Fast change, a change that takes place in a shorter duration of time. Irreversible change, a change in which substance produced cannot be brought back into its original form, and they are permanent also. What about physical change? A change in which no new substance is formed. Reversible, a change in which substance produced can be brought back into its original form, and slow change that takes longer duration of time to occur. So dear student, if you are able to define all the 6 changes, you would be able to answer all the questions of chapter 5. Learn these keywords and make your own definitions by giving 2 examples. Keep changing yourselves from better to the best. Have a very good day, dear students.